Tech is hiring. You just have to look in the right places. If you look on AngelList, you'll see hundreds of companies that are hiring. And the reason why I think tech is hiring, just not in big tech, is because these companies every single week, so many companies are actually raising money. They're raising millions, and the only reason why you raise is so you can hire more people. So if they are completing these funding rounds, that means there are jobs that are about to be created that you can then apply for. And the only reason why you're not looking at them is because probably they don't post on these large job boards. A lot of these are like smaller companies, so they wouldn't want to get overwhelmed with thousands of resumes. As a result, what you need to do to stand out is you need to reach out to these co-founders, to these senior people on the founding team of these startups to get noticed. That is how you get noticed right now in tech. Don't just go spam your resume to a bunch of established tech companies. Focus on these smaller companies and startups.